You always have the option of adding like first and last name, for example. If I want, it's going to collect their email address going through Classroom. But if I want to do a short answer question, I can ask for first name and then I can duplicate that. But you're going to want to make sure your answer key is set to 0 points so that it doesn't grade that. And then go back. We're just going to duplicate this and last name. You don't need this going through Google Classroom, but you may opt to want it, okay? And then once you're done with it, you just click on close out and you're literally saved. So if I look back into this area here in Classroom, once I close out of the quote unquote blank quiz and I assign it or save it as a draft, but I'll go ahead and assign it so you can see what it looks like. It won't say blank quiz anymore. It will say water cycle flip quiz, which is what I called the assignment. And when I open it up, the student's going to see not blank quiz, but water cycle. So that's how that works. Now it's time for you to just go through the process of taking your own quiz by clicking on it. If you want to have others join your classroom and practice, that's fine as well. But at least as a teacher, you can open it right up and you can take your own quiz to see if indeed it works the way you wanted it to work. Once you hit submit, it'll give you the option to view your own score. And you can also, if you're open it up, let's go back here. If you open it up and you want to just jump into the edit portion right here, you just click on edit, okay? By default, you won't be able to take your own quiz more than once because when you create a quiz in Google Classroom, I'm going to go to the settings here. Your settings are set to limit to one response. So you can always uncheck that. It also restricts access to the quiz to folks within your domain. If for some reason you wanted to share this with another teacher or somebody outside your domain, you would need to deselect that as well. All right. And it's automatically collecting email addresses. That's why you don't need the name. Plus their name will be associated with it in Classroom. But some folks still feel better having the first and last name in every one of their forms. So that's okay too. All right. And last but not least, just remember that when you're in Classroom, you can always go to your Drive folder. Everything you create, all those forms and spreadsheets, anything you create in Classroom will be in Google Classroom. So the flipped classroom quiz I shared, the spreadsheet I created, and the water cycle video I just made today, all in my flipped classroom Google Classroom.